Now I just went back into the Chasing the Sun because it's like, for me, the Chasing the Sun is a super core move. That's like probably my first move I learned, or first combo I learned. This. Yeah, this is old school tech, and by old school I mean like circa 2000, when we had no tech. Chasing the Sun was probably the first combination most people learned. So that's a clockwise Chasing the Sun versus the anti-clockwise version, which is this way. They're old school. And then if you have both of those, you can connect those in a turnaround. So the poi, from your view, is going to always look like it's going clockwise. But when I turn, from my perspective, it's now counterclockwise. Clockwise to counterclockwise. Clockwise to counterclockwise. Now, maybe you can see why turning is so much easier when you do like simple tech moves. And if you, from my perspective, if you add these simple turning techniques, like even the giant, this is not complicated. It's simple. It may not be easy, but I think you can add these simple techniques to add more dynamism to the performance. And then when you stop and you do your like super potent tech tricks, it creates a really big contrast, right? Because if you're just spinning, oh, I'm spinning, I'm a whirling dervish, and then I can stop in my like whatever boosh I do, you know? I think the combination just creates more dynamism in the performance. I think performances look better with contrast. Like, this is one of the things I don't like about juggling. I feel like juggling is just like, oh, you're tossing and catching. Okay, cool. Oh, you tossed and caught a different way. Okay, cool. I know it's technically difficult, but like that, as a viewer, nothing about that lights me up. Whereas turns, oh my God. I don't know, I like the dynamism of the expression that turns can create. So that's your mileage may vary. That's just my subjective viewpoint. Feel free to throw it in the circular bin.